How to fix unable to check for iPhone updates. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside settings, head over to General. In here, scroll all the way down and the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone will be visible to you. Click on it. And then click on Reset at the bottom. Different reset options will be visible to you. You have to click on Reset all settings. Now you have to enter the passcode of a device. And then you have to enter the screen time passcode. Once you have entered, once again you have to click on Reset all settings. Once all the settings has been reset, it might fix the issue that you have been facing. But if you are still having the issue, then the next thing you want to do is to go back and then click on Shut Down at the very bottom. You have to shut down your device and then reopen it. Once you reopen your device, it might fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix iPhone unable to check for updates. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.